So now I get to do the fun task of cutting them and getting them ready to blanch. All you do is cut off the tips of the green beans and either leave them whole or cut them into smaller pieces, which I believe is called Frenched beans. So sit back, relax, and watch me prepare a pound of beans. One of my favorite tasks to do since I have so many. You wouldn't think a pound of beans would make a lot, but there is a boatload of beans there for me to cut. Now I am all done. As you see, they're all tipped and cut into small pieces. Now I have water boiling on my stove. I'm going to add some kosher salt and get that beans a-going. So you just dump it in there, mix it around a little bit, and we're going to set our timer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to pull them out of the boiling water and dip them in an ice water bath to finish the blanching process and to shock them. If you know this band and this song, please comment down below. Those of you from Gen X should know it. T-minus 1 minute to the final countdown. Who did that song as well? Comment below. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Green beans are blanched. Now we're going to dump them out into a colander. See that nice steam coming out of there. And then we're going to dip it in the ice water bath to shock them. This will stop the cooking process and get it ready for us to put them into the freezer. First, we're going to put them on a sheet tray and spread them out so they're not overlapping as much as they should be. But we do with what we can.